Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Google ad account without any payment method. So I'm going to show you step-by-step process to help you bypassing the payment method why it will ask you for the credit card or UPI or any related bank details. So this video is currently working for as of now, as of 15th of July, and you can do it if you are watching it later, it will work as well. So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, we have this new Gmail that we are going to use to bypass this method, and we are basically creating a demo account. So we have searched for the Google Ads, and from here we have selected this first option. Just click on here, and if we scroll down a little bit, you will see some credits offer. So if you want to claim any of them, you can just choose here. So I am using the first one, that is like 20,000 credit, and click here on the claim button. And it's not going to affect our like bypassing if you are choosing the like credit method or not. So from here we have to select this one, that's called create your first campaign, and just we have to enter some details. Business name is optional, but we have to enter a website. So if you have a website, that will be good, because I don't have. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to enter this Google Ad website here. From here we have to click here on this next button, then we have to wait. Just scroll down and select next. From here we have to most of the things we have just to click here on the skip button. Just click on the skip again, but we have already got this option that says not ready for a campaign, just set up the account only. So we have to choose this one option here, so just click here. If you don't get that option, you must have to select the skip option from there. And now we got this billing information section, then here we have to click here on this continue button. Okay, we are almost done here. Now you can see we have get this section where we have to must enter our payment method section. So from here we have to choose this no, and select here on I agree, and you can see this is the promotion code, and from here we have to set up the payment profile. So now it is our main step. Now how you can bypass it. So we have to click here on this create a new payment profile, and you can select any of this. Okay, I am choosing the individual, and from here you can enter anything like any fake address. So I'm just entering a fake address of Delhi, Vasant Kunj, I guess so. I am not. Just a second. You can type it here as well, like Fixie India, and you will get some fake address from here. We have just to open this website and wait for some second. Okay, we have got some address from Rajasthan, so we can use this one. Just copy the postal code. Just copy the street address. These things are required, so we have to enter this. This is a city. Now choose the state, that is Rajasthan. Okay, it is here. So I have filled most of the option. So from here we have to click here on this create option. If you want to use your original like some information, so you can do this as well. From here we have to select our payment method, so click here on this one. Then it is basically an important step what you have to do now. So you will get this 4 options, that is basically add a credit card, add a QR like a UPI, net banking, and a bank transfer. So from here we have to select this one, that's called pay with bank transfer. Just click on the agree and click here on the submit. Okay, just click here on the complete and just click here on the submit, and now you can see this pop-up that we are that your account was created. Now we have to click here this option that's called continue, and just select our business name and just click here on the submit option. Now as you can see, our Google Ads dashboard is successfully open. So that's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.